Everybody, this is Ryan. Welcome back to the investing channel. In tonight's video, which is March 2nd, 2022, I'm going to do a video on Fantom Coin. One of my viewers had said it's all about Fantom. And when I looked at the chart, I was like, yeah, it is. It looks like it is. I'm seeing some good entries and some good exits that I could take. So I'm going to do a video on that. We'll look at the charts. For those of you guys that are new, that's what I do. I jump into trades. I'll let you follow me on my journey. So I look at charts. I choose good points to enter, good points to exit. And I think after you watch this video, you'll see some stuff you've never seen before. Okay. So I'll show you some good potential for taking profit. If you haven't subscribed yet, maybe you're new to the channel, maybe a friend told you to come over and watch, please subscribe over here. There's a little icon at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, and then smack that bell when it pops up so that you're notified when I come up with the next video. And feel free in the comments down below, let me know of any coins you guys are stuck in. And you're like, I wonder when this thing's going to finally come around, or maybe am I in the take profit range that I need to be in? Let me know in the comments down below what coin you're in on, and also what stock you're in on. I can do a video on stocks too, and then what price you bought in at. Okay, so let me keep moving and we'll share my screen with you guys. Real quick, here's my Instagram channel, Investing Points with an S. If you go over there and follow me, you can watch some of my videos that I've been doing for other viewers. They've been asking me to do short little videos so that they can get in and help them with their due diligence before they jump into trades, so they can pick the right entry and the right exit. Really, it's all about the right entry and the right exit, okay? As long as you know how to read the charts. Okay, so let's see here. That's Investing Points. Here is Fantom. I'm on TradingView. If you're not using TradingView, you can get a 30-day trial. Down below in the description of this video, there's a link. It'll give you 30 days free trial. That's how I started. And I use it every single day, all throughout the day. Okay, so let's take a look here. For those of you guys that are new, let me explain this real quick. What happens is when price action drops below these bases that I draw, more often than not, it'll swing back up. And you can use that as an indicator as to where to potentially jump into a trade or exit a trade, okay? Or if not even to jump into a trade. Sometimes I tell people, I don't see any openings at all. Okay, so here's a base right here. Pricing broke that base, it went down just a little bit and then came back up, right? Here's another one, it broke down a little bit. Anybody could have bought in this area and then rode it back up to the top of that base. Here's another one, it broke down and then shot right back up. Here's another one, it broke down and shot up. Here's a little bit bigger one, broke down. A lot of people probably selling down here, and then it went up to that line again. Okay, so that these are the areas that you want to think about when you're buying. Here's another base that broke right there and came back up. Here's another base that lasted from December 3rd over to December 24th, but it ultimately came back up. Everyone was down here. Some of you guys, I guarantee people were selling down here. And then after a little while longer, it went back up and they're like, oh crap, I sold and I lost all my money. There's another base that broke, it went back up. There's another one that broke and went back up. There's a little one right there. There's one right there. There's a tiny one right there. It broke this base over here. It broke over here and came back up. It broke over here and came back up. It broke over here and came back up. It broke right there and came back up. On this line right here, it broke right there and came back up. And then another one right there and came back up. So, and this one broke and came back up over here. So I am talking about this area right here, right now. So if you guys are like, this is interesting, okay, you have my attention, please look below the video right now. There's a little thumbs up icon. It's a little bit to the right of the center of the video. If you could just click that little icon with your mouse or with your finger and just tap it real quick, that will help me out a lot. It helps me with the YouTube algorithm, and it also lets me know that you guys are enjoying my videos and finding it valuable. So let's keep moving, and don't leave yet, because I'm going to show you some more stuff. So this is the area that we're dealing with. I don't care about all this. All I care is that it came down and it went back up. Okay, so we have not come back up over here at $2.83. So this, based upon the history of all back here, for me, I feel comfortable, more than comfortable, that it'll ultimately swing back up to $2.83. Now, I might have to wait a while, right? I might have to wait months. I could wait 6 months. I could wait a week. You know, you never know, but you just know that it's ultimately going to come back up. So how much profit for me do I want to do, right? So right now we are at $1.95. Fantom was up earlier today. You can see over here. We're down negative 2.8, but I don't worry about stuff like that. So here's some potential take profits that I can think of for myself if I jump in. We're at $1.95. I could take profit if I decide to jump in tonight at 203, just a little one, and anywhere up to $2.83. Okay, it doesn't matter. It could be right here at 226. It could be right here at 241. It could be up here at 251. It could be at 265, at 278, and ultimately 285. It doesn't matter. Obviously, the lower down, the closer to the price range it is right now, the faster I'm going to get my money back, and the quicker little profit I'm going to get. If I want a larger profit, I'm going to take out right here. But do I take profit up here? Do I do it above the line? No, I don't do that, because sometimes it'll hit this line and then it'll immediately shoot back down, kind of like it did right there. It barely went up it, and then it shot down. So if anyone set their take profit for up here thinking it's going to get to this line over here, it didn't. I mean, it did ultimately over here, but it shot right back down. So these people had to wait from November 25th all the way over to January 5th. Okay. So that's kind of the range that I could choose from. I hope that helps you. And if it drops down below this base right here, ultimately it might go down a little bit and linger down here like some of the coins recently have, but then it's going to come back up to that line right there. And that line right there is $1.57. And then I could choose, if it came down here, I could choose to take profit there, or I could choose to take profit, anywhere up to that point. I just have to be patient. So now you guys should feel pretty secure about not being concerned about jumping out of trades too quickly and losing your money. The most important thing is, am I within these pockets, these ranges? And that is something that, if you guys watch my videos, you should be able to, determine for yourself at some point, or just keep watching my videos. So if you have friends that are into crypto, please send them a link to the video. If you guys are involved in other chat rooms, please add my link, share it with, the members there. That helps me out. And let me share with those of you guys that are new. If those of you guys that have seen all my videos, if you want to drop off, you can. But for those of you guys that have been watching me, just found me, here's my channel. Oops, let me get over here. There it is. You click on my username after the video and you want to go look at some of the other videos I have. Here's some here. And then here's my videos. All these, I'm just waiting for them to swing back. Okay. I've done a similar video. And once they take profit, I'll do another video like here, took profit, 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 took profit. So you get the gist. I'll be doing more of the take profits here. I'm going to be setting up some systems to be able to track everything. Not every coin I'm jumping into, but I do jump into a lot of them. I do a lot of videos for you guys because you guys are asking me to. So here's kind of where I'm at now. You can see all these ones that don't say that they've cleared are ones that I'm just waiting for them to swing. Some of them I'm holding a little bit longer. And then I've got, hold on a second. I've got these two that have cleared. And then I've got a bunch here that have cleared, right? And then over here, a little bit further up the page, you can see all these cleared. Look at all that green in there, guys. That's a lot of green. The red, don't worry about the red. I mean, the red's there, but it was because I made mistakes. It was there because I did stop losses. And I jumped out because I got nervous. I saw it dropping like like we all do. And then I don't get nervous anymore. And then I just wait for them to swing, because times where I jumped out, I went back and revisited those like 3 months later, and they all swung back up. And when I felt sick that day, because I remember the day that I sold, I felt so bad. I was like, oh, I just lost 700, or, oh, I just lost 1100. But in the whole grand scheme of things, I was still up because I was making money like 90% of the time. And, I brought my money back quick, but, still, when you lose, when you choose to lose, when you choose to sell, and then you see it comes back, it makes you upset. So thanks guys for watching. Remember to thumbs up down below, and then also subscribe if you haven't yet, and then smack that bell. And I'll be doing other videos. Add comments down below. I like receiving your guys' comments, and I do respond. Don't think that I don't, I do. And feel free to ask me questions. Okay. Thanks guys, and take care and have a great night. Bye-bye.